Today, we're here at Lexington Elementary School. We had some of our teachers reading the book, Grit Leads to Greatness. Alongside them were some tradesmen who came in, and it was really powerful for the kids to experience firsthand what these tradesmen actually do for their job. And they were able to make those connections to what I'm learning in math or when I'm reading that will help me in my life and what I want to do when I grow up.
It's always important to make sure all the students know that there's choices. And when it comes to time when they're at the high school levels and they're looking at where and which direction do they want to go, they might remember the day that they had a conversation about the person in construction and investigate more. There's programs like ABC that are apprenticeships, and lots of apprenticeships in different vocational trade schools all around the city of San Diego and the county of San Diego that offer wonderful careers. And so it ties back into the Cajon Valley School District doing a wonderful job of World of Work and connecting the school experience with the actual real life jobs. The tradesmen, they came and didn't realize that they were going to be heroes to these young students and came away feeling really wonderful about their experience. And in the same way, we were able to give back to the community and read and talk about some of the interesting things that the trades bring to everybody's community.
Today was really powerful to see the connections between adult tradesmen and students learning about World of Work. I hope that the kids took away that they truly can be anything they want to be, and really just sticking to it or having grit will lead to their greatness in themselves.